Are you joking? About to do an unboxing of something that's in here from Cartier for, a little bit now, and I've been sending him various images daily. So can I open it now? Oh. Right. Are you joking? What? What is? It's the what do you call this? The cleaning kit. You go. Hey, me for real. Oh my god. Why? Aww. Okay, wow. It's a cleaning kit. I don't believe it. I'm not disappointed. Well, I am actually. Oh, fuck. Oh. Wait. Okay. This is the real unboxing. Oh. Okay, that's opening. So, we shall do this.
Bruh.
You got the gold one? Mm. My goodness, I love it. Oh, did you guys see it first? wait. Okay. It looks so good together. What's up, guys? So I just wanted to come in real quick. I had originally gone to the shop and got me a ring, which was the one. It was a white gold love ring with one diamond. I'll add in like a picture here somewhere. I didn't take a picture of it myself, but that's one that he came back with. But then, like I said, it was the wrong size. So we went back the next day. Well, he went back the next day, and then he was kind of teasing me like, oh, whatever. I didn't come back, but I didn't come out the shop with the same thing that I got yesterday, so that's why I was kind of like, I don't really know what he got me. Anyways, went back to the shop the next day, and then he got the rings that you saw. He got the white gold with the 8 rings, and then he got the thin version of the gold love ring. So that's what you just saw me unbox. Anyway, so then we ended up going back to Cartier because I felt like the size was just still a little bit tight, and so we went back the next day again. And plus I was looking online and I was like, oh, well, what if I just got a different one? Yeah, whatever. So we were looking online, we were like, okay, so maybe if we match it, and we're trying to like put them together and see what we preferred and blah blah blah. So then we went back to the shop. And this time I went with him, just so we could just, get the right size once and for all and things like that. And then so basically, long story short, we ended up going for the, like, I really liked the paved diamonds one, which is the one it's still the love ring collection, but it has diamonds encrusted like all the way in between the spaces. But I don't know, I just didn't really like the look of it for some reason. But that was the one I originally went in there thinking I was going to get. But then I don't know, I tried it in the store and I was like, I didn't like it. Like, it was giving me cheapy vibes, even though it's the most expensive one. Yeah, I know, bizarre. We ended up going with the white gold with the 8 diamonds. So the diamonds go all the way around. And then I tried on the 8 diamonds of the gold version, the yellow gold version, but I didn't like it paired together. I felt like it had a better balance if I had the 8 diamonds, 1 diamond, then you can still see the design of the screw, you know, in comparison to the one with the diamonds in. Anyway, so that's what I ended up going with in store. So as you know, I already had tried on the the yellow gold love ring, the plain one, no diamonds, from the first time that he got it from me. But then I was in store and I was like, oh well, let me just try on the thick band of the love ring, the plain one. So that's the one that I tried on. So I ended up getting this one as well, for this side. So this one looks like this. So it's just the plain yellow gold love ring in the thick band. This is on my wedding hand, and I will be adding more here. I'm changing my engagement ring as well, just because I want to. Just because I want to, and whatever, I'm not explaining myself. I want to change it, that's what I'm doing. So I'm in the process of picking which one I want and collaborating with Sam and blah blah blah. So yeah, so in terms of Cartier, this is what I got. So I have the love ring collection here. I have the yellow gold with no diamonds in the thick band, and I have the white gold with 8 diamonds around in the thin wedding band, and then I have the yellow gold with 1 diamond in the thin wedding band. So that's my Cartier shop. I will do another video stating how much each one costs and what I think about them so far and things like that. So yeah, this was kind of just sharing what I got from Cartier, so that's it. And I will be back in there. I've already mapped out what I want for my hand and chains and bracelets and things like that. So this is not going to be the last video on this, but I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for a more detailed video. For the rings themselves, if that's something that you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog style surprise video, and I will see you guys again in my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more luxury hauls, I guess.